I'm going to show you real quick how to check the condition of the Mini Cooper turbine housing wastegate arms. So you can move this back and forth to kind of check the play here. I think this one's in better condition than this one is. This one's in bad shape. The problem with these when this play develops is that the wastegate closes, but then it reopens back up in the backside of it to where it's starting to leak air out. So this one is definitely bad and needs repair. This one right here has a little bit of wear, but it's probably okay to use for now. If you do want to repair these, we do have the wastegate repair kits available. So I'll link to those down in the description box. And to give you some helpful tips on how to remove this. Now there's a bushing inside here that needs to be pulled out with a slide hammer. And this little piece right here of the turbine housing, it's dented in. You can see that right there. So you're going to have to take some type of grinder and cut that area off or out so that this bushing can be removed, because this is pressed down to hold the bushing in place.